Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, OBS Studio, camera drivers, and system permissions. Start OBS now, add a new scene if none exists. Click the plus under Sources, choose Video Capture Device and name it. This creates a source placeholder. Once done, pick your camera from the device dropdown so OBS queries it. Make sure the camera resolution and FPS match your intended output. This avoids stutter or scaling. If you see a black box, don't panic. Next, we configure formats and filters. You now configure the device specifics so the feed is stable. In the Video Capture Device properties, choose the matching resolution and FPS. This prevents scaling artifacts. Select the optimal API, Direct Show for many Windows webcams or a vendor API for specialized devices. MJPEG can reduce CPU load for USB cams. Next, apply filters. Crop for framing, color for exposure fixes, and a noise reduction filter if needed. Also set buffering and low latency modes. These reduce lag when streaming or recording live demonstrations. You finish by locking your source and validating the output. Use studio mode to preview scenes and transitions. Hit start recording for a short test clip, then check AV sync and CPU usage. If everything is good, save the scene collection and profiles to preserve settings. If problems appear, black screen, freezing, or poor quality, first recheck OS camera permissions, update or reinstall drivers, reconnect the cable, and switch the API and properties. One tip, try MJPEG or capture card.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.